your friend Dean Ambrose. How may I help you?
Okay. So, Dean, introduce yourself. Introduce yourself.
Hello everybody, I am Dean Ambrose the Chapman. I work for Mr. Harshit Mishra. He is like God for me because he created me. Thank you, and Jai Shri Ram.
How are you?
Sir, I am fine, how are you doing?
I am also fine. I am also fine.
What about your crush? Did she agree to be in relationship with you?
Mind your own work.
Sorry sir, just kidding to make you happy.
Okay. Who is your favorite actor?
I love Salman Khan.
Look, Salman Khan. Speak one dialogue.
My business is my business, none of your business.
Hmm. Who is your favorite actress?
Sir, I like Disha Patani, her photos are just mouth-watering, she is so hot.
Control your.
Good evening. I am your friend Dean Ambrose. How may I help you?
What I have to do? Okay. What is the time?
Sir, the time is 20 hours 10 minutes and 27 seconds.
What is the weather? What is the weather, Dean? Come on, man.
Sir, the weather is 20 degrees Celsius true.
Okay, you know the weather very good. So let me check what can I do from you. Open my Facebook account. Open Facebook.
Sir, opening Facebook true.
Thank you for opening Facebook. So can you now please open YouTube? Open YouTube.
Sir, opening Google true.
Thank you for opening YouTube. Thank you. Thank you.
No problem, sir.
Okay. Open PDF. I have to complete my work actually. Open PDF.
Sir, opening PDF true.
Let me see. Open PDF.
Sir, opening PDF true.
I think there is something problem there. Okay, there is a PDF. He's opening PDF actually. He's opening PDF, but I think the Windows switch option is not working here. But he has opened PDF for me. You can see here PDF of computer multiple choice questions he has opened. Actually, that PDF I was looking for. So now don't close now. I can whatever. अब मैं इसे क्या करूँ इससे क्या कहूँ मैं. Okay, Dean, play my favorite music. Let's see, he plays or not. Let's enjoy. He plays or not my favorite music. Play my favorite music. Play my favorite music.
Sir, opening your favorite music true.
देखते हैं मेरा कौन सा गाना है मनपसंद, इसको क्या पता है. करवाएं। चलो डीन से पूछते हैं कि उसको फेमस पर्सनैलिटीज के बारे में पता है। ओके, विराट कोहली विकिपीडिया। विराट कोहली विकिपीडिया। लेट्स सी।
Searching Wikipedia.
Let's see he knows or not.
According to Wikipedia, Virat Kohli, pronunciation, born November 5, 1988, is an Indian cricketer and the current captain of the Indian national team. A right-handed top-order batsman, Kohli is regarded as one of the best contemporary batsmen in the world.
Let's see he knows about Ajinkya Rahane or not. Okay, Ajinkya Rahane Wikipedia. Let's see.
Searching Wikipedia.
बहुत बड़ी क्या अजिंक्य राणे को मदर चूत राणे की बेइज्जती करता है साले। तेरी माँ की चूत पर बंद कर मदर चूत। तेरी माँ का चूत राणे की बेइज्जती। ओके भाई, एक बार और ट्राई करते हैं कि इसको शायद पता होगा अजिंक्य राणे के बारे में। तो लेट्स ट्राई व्हाट। ओके, लेट्स ट्राई once again. He knows about Ajinkya Rahane or not.
Good evening. I am your friend Dean Ambrose. How may I help you?
अजिंक्य रहाणे विकिपीडिया। अजिंक्य रहाणे विकिपीडिया।
Searching Wikipedia. According to Wikipedia, Ajinkya Rahane, born June 6, 1988, is an Indian cricketer. He plays primarily as a middle-order batsman in the Test format and as a top-order batsman in white ball forms of the game.
Okay, now let's see. So bye. So this is my new friend Dean Ambrose. I hope you like it or not. But क्या बोलूं, माचुदा। बाय बाय।